Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the ONN TV black screen with sound issue and restore the picture.
Fix 1. Power reset Step 1. Turn off the TV and unplug it from power. Step 2. Press and hold the TV power button for 30 seconds. Step 3. Plug the TV back in and turn on. Fix 2. Check input/source. Step 1. Press the input/source button on the remote. Step 2. Select the correct HDMI or TV input. Step 3. Disconnect and reconnect the HDMI cable. Fix 3. Change picture settings. Step 1. Press menu on the remote. Step 2. Go to picture settings. Step 3. Change picture mode, standard movie vivid. Fix 4. Disable power saving/eco mode. Step 1. Open settings. Step 2. Go to system/power. Step 3. Turn power saving/eco mode off. Fix 5. Test with external device. Step 1. Connect a laptop, console, or Fire Stick. Step 2. Switch to that HDMI input. Step 3. If still black, issue may be backlight related. Fix 6. Factory reset. Last option. Step 1. Go to Settings System. Step 2. Select Reset/Factory Reset. Step 3. Confirm and restart TV.